Now, if you lived in an old house or drove an old car, what if somebody told you that you could upgrade your house, you could upgrade to a better car for a less cost than a new one? But when it comes to roofing, I want to explain the opportunity there is using a liquid restoration and a membrane to restore an existing roof to actually upgrade a roof versus downgrade it or just get the same thing. I'm here in Minnesota at the Xcel Energy nuclear power plant where thousands and thousands of square feet of roof is being upgraded with the Triton restoration system. What we do is we take the existing roof, when it still has utility, it still has life, it has thickness, it has usefulness left, and we add a thick, durable, flexible membrane directly to that to upgrade it rather than tear it off and put down a thinner membrane and downgrade the roof, or cover the roof with a single ply, which actually reduces the amount of waterproofing thickness. You have to hold it down with thousands and thousands of screws that put 1,000 new leak points in your roof that you didn't have before. So by using the Triton system, you can actually save money and upgrade your roof versus tear it off, spend a lot of money, or roll something out over top of it and actually downgrade to less thickness and something that costs by spending a lot more money to do that. So there are a lot of advantages when you have a roof that's out of warranty, that's at the end of its life, but the insulation is not saturated. It's in a condition where it can be upgraded rather than downgraded. That's when you need to talk to Triton.